In this video, we will explore the ways in which artificial intelligence technology is set to revolutionize various industries in the near future. We will also discuss the potential for new job opportunities in AI development and maintenance. Join us as we take a closer look at the future of AI and its impact on the workforce. But before we start, just make sure you don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy this video, so you will keep us motivated to bring new ones to you. Thank you. Let's start now. One area where AI is already having a significant impact is in the field of customer service. Many companies are now using chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI to handle customer inquiries and complaints. These technologies are able to understand natural language and provide quick and accurate responses, which can save companies time and money. Another area where AI is likely to have a big impact is in the manufacturing industry. AI-powered robots and automated systems are able to perform tasks that were previously done by humans, such as assembling products, inspecting them for defects, and packaging them. This can lead to increased efficiency and cost savings for manufacturers. The healthcare industry is also likely to be impacted by AI in the near future. AI-powered systems can be used to analyze medical images and make diagnoses, which can help doctors and nurses provide more accurate and efficient care. Additionally, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of patient data and identify patterns that may indicate a risk of certain diseases, which can help doctors catch illnesses earlier. In the field of finance, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of financial data and identify patterns and trends. This can help financial institutions make better investment decisions, detect fraud, and improve customer service. The transportation industry is also likely to be impacted by AI in the near future. Self-driving cars, trucks, and buses are already being tested on the roads, and it is likely that they will become more common in the coming years. This could lead to fewer accidents, and could also have a big impact on the job market, as truck drivers and taxi drivers may be replaced by self-driving vehicles. In the field of education, AI can be used to personalize learning experiences for students, as well as to help teachers and administrators manage their workloads more efficiently. AI can be used to identify patterns in student performance data, which can help teachers identify areas where students may be struggling and provide additional support. Finally, in the field of entertainment, AI can be used to create more realistic and engaging virtual reality experiences, as well as to generate new forms of content, such as music and videos. While there are many jobs that will be impacted by AI in the near future, it's important to note that not all jobs will be replaced by AI. In fact, many jobs will require a combination of human and AI skills, such as AI engineers, data scientists, and AI ethicists. Additionally, AI will create new jobs, such as those in the field of AI development and maintenance. Overall, it is clear that AI technology will have a big impact on many different jobs in the near future. While there may be some disruptions to the job market, there will also be many new opportunities for those who have the right skills and expertise. It is important for individuals and organizations to stay informed about the latest developments in AI, and to start preparing for the future by developing new skills and knowledge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And let us know in the comments what you think about the future of AI and its impact on the job market. We'll see you next time. Bye.